like and subscribe for more great videos.
Ah, nice breeze. Right? Not really! Wow! Your hair's a mess! Not funny! Ow! Ouch! Ugh. Her hair's way too long. Let's fix that. Just put a hairpin here, and here, and here. Done! Wow, much better. Thanks! Delish! Oh snap! What's this? Ew, yuck! Where did this come from? Huh? Ugh. Oh my. Let me help ya. Give me that. Let's pull up your shirt like this. And voila! Wow, thanks. About time. Oh, bedtime. Nighty-night. Morning already? What's happening? I can't move! Someone help! What's the deal? Oh, gosh, how did this happen? Hold tight, I gotcha! Not working. Hang on, got an idea. Help!
At your service. What's up?
Hey, check this out. Hi.
Really? Don't waste my time.
Hey, where are you going? Oh. Okay, I'll free you. See? Yay! So, moving on. Come on, you can do it! Ouch! What's that? Don't worry, my hair's fine. See? Wow! All good. Oh, got a text. Oh, gotta run. Hey, don't leave me here!
I think if I follow the formula, this is the answer. Oh, hey, Betty. How's it going? What the heck? Is he leaning on my head? Excuse you! My head is not a prop for you. Ugh, so rude. I can't stand people who treat me like that. People are so mean when you're short. They just don't care. Hey, I think I've got a great idea. Alright, colored pencils. I'm gonna… Whoa! What are you doing with that suitcase? Oh, I don't know. Maybe going on a trip? London? No way! That's amazing! Yep, I'm gonna have a great time over there. Oh, you're going without me. I see. I've gotta make sure that I've packed the right outfits. Which one's better? The blue or the red? But, you know, I've never been to London. You know what? I'll just take them both. Problem solved. Please, please, please let me go with you on your trip! Oh, I don't know. I've only got the one ticket. Are you the… Okay, yeah, I think I get it. Alright, who would like to come to the front and solve this? Sophia! Why don't you come up to the blackboard? Yes! The teacher picked Sophia instead of me! Here you go. Please solve the equation if you would. Wow. She wrote it really high up there. Maybe if I stretch? Or jump? She's too short to reach the equation! This is the most hilarious thing I've seen all week. It's no use. There's no way for me to solve this. Well, go back to your seat, and don't forget to give me the chalk. I must say I'm disappointed in you. Alright then. I'll need someone else. Betty! Please come up to the board. Wait, me? But… Okay. Guess that's what you get for laughing at me. Excellent. Please solve the equation if you would. Oh my god! There's no way I can solve this! I'll just erase these marks. Why can't I be short too? Then I wouldn't be in this jam. Wow, she's really squirming up there. Height isn't helping her. Hey, that gives me an idea. I'm gonna need this colored glue stick. And a hot glue gun, of course. Okay, in you go, glue stick. I need you to start warming up. Okay, I think it's starting to heat up. Now let's get to work. I'll start by drawing a circle with my glue. Now to fill it in. Slow and steady wins the race. Alright, now I'll just break this in half. Perfect! They turned out exactly how I planned. And now to put them into the heels of my shoes. And just like that, I made lifts for my shoes.
Betty, it's clear you don't know what you're doing.
Ma'am, I'd like to try solving it again, please.
Sophia? Are you sure?
I am! I can totally do it! I promise!
Okay, here's the chalk.
I hope to see the answer this time. Yes! The lifts are working! I can totally reach now! Ma'am, I finished with the equation. Well, how wonderful! That's correct! Thank you, Sophia! You did a beautiful job! Kisses! Like my new hairdo? Gotta be one good selfie in here. Oh, they're all so bad! Why am I so ugly? I officially feel like a princess. Nothing like a pretty bare shoulder. And… you've gotta be kidding me! Ring lights always make things better. Pretend like you're having fun! There! Now I'm washed out and ugly! I just saved myself an expensive trip to the salon. Let the drying process begin. Oh, did I drop that? Careful, careful. I'll just use my feet. There! Can't ruin these beauties. I sure could use a little water. Oh, are these worth dehydration? I think I can do it carefully. Just takes a little concentration. Nice! Now just one more thing. What angle is better? Almost. It's Jared! The water will have to wait. Oh, I can't press the buttons! Hang on there, Jared! I'm coming! There! Hey, dude! Almost dry. Hello. Are those my favorite chips? I can't reach into that bag. Ugh, but they look so good! Ugh. I've made it so far. Life's too short. You're welcome? Gross! Chip nails! You girls worry too much. I'll just redo them later. You know what they say? New hair, new me. Love it! Wait till my friends see me. Tomorrow's gonna be awesome! Yay! Ugh. I can't get comfortable. I slept like a rock. And I get to show off my new hair. Huh? What died on my pillowcase? Oh, Mom's gonna kill me. Why does this always happen? I forgot my stuff again? Think I could snag a pen? I have a spare around here somewhere. Here, thanks. And, paper? Let me see. Wow, thanks. Soda? How much can you fit in there? That's where this is? That's weird. Come on, get out of there! What on earth? What? I feel it! It was really wedged in there. Thank you! Jared, you're up. Oh, me? Hey! In here? What could possibly be… Whoa! I sure saved his butt. Where's Jared? Beats me. Wow! It's incredible in here!